Uba Kyrmen Shylla uba de UMLA jong ka Pyllait constituency minta kasngi ula Plie paidbah ya ka kali Kit Ñiut hasnong Ladrymbai Dongwah kabala Ladrymbai scheme district mineral funding DMF pada hakani kasngi hi ka ju ka program deputy commissioner ka East Jandal district Ushivan Chawasti IS ula play ka ophis dorbar hasnong Ladrymbai Dongwah UMLA ulo ongru baka East Jandal district ka long badan bak namar ka jingdon ka district mineral funding ka bala ban wanra iki babon ki project ki balong ka jingmen toy ki paidbah hapo ka district ha ki babon ki liang barula airu ka jing kublai kerpang ni deputy commissioner ubalong chairman jong ka DMF ubas ngau tho bha halor ka rukam ban sam hi ki jingmen toy shekishnong ki thau but uba jupen shlori ki paidbah bakin pen million ban penyaklat iki Ñiut ki bapot bat ki Ñiut ki pampon kumban chuban ram ha East Jandal district ki ladan hadu reuteli ki kali Kit Ñiut ki bala sam shekishnong ki thau ki bawan lingba ka scheme jong ka district mineral funding bat ka jingthmu jong ka ne ka scheme ka long ban kentiu ka khoi ka suba ha ki shnong ki thau bat kan pensuk ya ki shnong ki thau ban bread ki Ñiut ha ki jaka bread Ñiut bala pen khre da ki shnong shushu na kalyang ki karkhana do bilat ru ki badan hapo East Jandal district ki long ki bala kloy ban shimi ki Ñiut na ki shnong ki thau ban thang ha ka ding barhem ha ki karkhana jongki khnang ba ki Ñiut kin num sapret pathar ha ka maryang ki bledon ringkat ha ka ni ka program ki kentup ru wahe shnong Ladrymbai B uba Jasper Lingdo wahe shnong Ladrymbai Pyllait dupan uba Chanbok Hayong secretary shnong Ladrymbai dat simpen uba Carmelo L Lakyang udukhat shnong na Ladrymbai dat simpen uba Stevenson Suchang bat kiwe ki riu rangba lembat ki nongshong shnong ka Ladrymbai Dongwah
Sir.
Yang kelama, hiji itu meski ilanti, menjauh tang contribution na DMF, kau jingara, dia uji pun jingara apa yang menjadi konsensi menarik dia. Ni dia kata betul, kau share bisik jaga cara pulang, wahalar kini DMF, kau disi dari dalam hidup kami, ni dunia yang kita hanya di district kami, kantam yang kita juga dan sesuatu kefan hatwa ketetok bahwa perjalanan yang waomi ke MPRF kini MPRF to kepisah yang umuyong boyo esile perdiong el katu kani usia ketero waomi bro kini umuyong to kita kikul mafia kini umuyong kembali ibu jai hari ini yang tiap ni lagi nanti ke MPRF dan ispa grown and bisa dan sakti yang tewo puyi penengkam kan bagaimana lagi hadino kiruti wo penengkam kan debenta ki kon yang is yang ini kartu kani der ki penengkam yo ila Islam hamta bai ki ongi utum yang itu algi ibri ki hadit binan wo yo hadil hotel yang berkata was kabi
to be present with all of you today on this very special day for the village where we are going to hand over this garbage vehicle. And I would like to thank both our Honorable MLA, who is the member of the DMF, for his support during the DMF meeting, for his recommendation, understanding the challenges that this village is facing because it is one of the key market area in the district, because of which a lot of waste is being generated in the village, as well as the headman, who is very proactive, and many times he has met me regarding multiple problems and issues in the village, be it related to parking, which we were able to solve earlier, and now with respect to this waste garbage vehicle. So I would like to thank both of them. It is because of their dedication and efforts that we are able to reach this day, that we are going to hand over this garbage vehicle to the village. And one more thing I would like to add is that we know that our state, God has blessed our state, our district and our village with very pristine surroundings. We have so much of natural beauty all around. But as well as development also is part of things. We cannot just keep the surroundings the way they are. We have to develop, we have to ensure that urbanization also is there. But if we do it in a planned way, so that not just the present generation but the future generation, we can leave the surroundings the way they are for the future generation as well. So I would just like to appeal the village that to use this garbage vehicle in a proper way. You have a lot of market area, you can charge some user fees from the shops so that you can do the proper maintenance, you can pay whatever expenditure is required to use the vehicle. And as I was discussing with our honorable MLA, as the next step, now that we have distributed garbage vehicles earlier to Pyllait market, to the Ladrymbai also, Ladrymbai market, this is the second vehicle that we are giving. Now the next step, this is just the beginning for the waste processing. But we cannot just collect the waste from the market, keep the market clean and throw it somewhere else. Eventually, what we have to do is that we have to recycle the waste, reuse the waste. So as a next step, I would appeal and request all the headmen to come together, all the 4 headmen of Ladrymbai, along with the headmen from Pyllait and Dakia, wherever the important market areas are, so that we can all collectively identify one location for waste disposal in the district, where we will be setting up a waste processing